Hello everyone, I think we should be recording now. Look at that, it is 1:04 in the morning, September 27th. I know it's a little early, but I got really excited because I just learned a very cool function, and that function is when I was looking to do something cool on my phone for my next idea. Oh, that's me. These are all mine. How to screen record on Android. So I just learned this. Thank you to whatever video was the one before that was telling me. Look at that. There's a little cool screen record function right there. So for anyone right now with a Pixel who just installed to Android 11, this apparently in some of the articles that I read, that is the latest feature right now. So now there is a screen record function built in, like I'm showing you right now. Screen record is now built in, and no longer will you have to need a third-party dedicated app. So that already is part one of my video, but that's a little boring because that was just a minute long. So now we're gonna jump into how to use Canva to make YouTube thumbnails. Let's give it a try. So Canva, I've been using it for a while now. I've been playing around with it. You can see I've been doing a lot of different designs. All 10 of my YouTube videos I've used Canva. Some of my social media marketing, I try this, and someone suggested it to me, and I thought it's just the coolest thing. So boom, you click into here, you can see there's all these functions: Instagram, Facebook. All these templates are already all built out. Now because I'm creating a YouTube channel, I'm gonna use these YouTube thumbnail ones, and there was one specifically that I picked out that I thought was pretty cool to use. Now you see there's a lot of themes on here. So boom, right there, that looks like a computer theme with the old school mouse right there. So all you have to do is hit edit. Super easy to use this app, super intuitive. Now there's a photo here. You click on the photo, and now once you've clicked in the photo, you can choose any photo you like. So I have pre-selected a photo that I thought made sense. So that actually is just a screenshot. So you can tap it a couple more times. It's actually just a screenshot of what we're looking at right now. So I'm gonna jump in here. I'm gonna play around with the settings. Hello, we are Fat Cat Productions, coming live. Well, I'm recording this live, but it'll be uploaded pretty soon. So here, now I've already selected my title, which is how to screen what's a good name for it? How to screen, well, we should use the function how to screen record, right? And I'm using my phone, and specifically Android. Right, you see I'm going to click out of there. You see it kind of bleeds a little bit, so click into it again one more time, and you see you can select whatever font you like. I'm okay with the regular font. Click out of it, click back in, and I'm gonna just do a little slide over for that. Boom. How to screen record with Android. And actually I'm missing a couple things because there's the part 2 version of it. So anytime you're stuck on this, just click out of it. Super forgiving app. You can always just reset yourself at any time and create YouTube thumbnail with Canva app. And as of the taping of this, it is free. So I'm done with the text. I'm gonna click out of it. There's a little sub section there. I'm gonna boost up the text size just a little bit. Went over the board there, but I think we're okay. There we go. Oh, there. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna actually drag it just slightly. Drag it just slightly. That mouse, I could probably play around with it. You see the little arrow? I can drag like that. Boom. And you know what? Essentially, I'm just gonna click a few more times here. September, what date was it? 27th, 2020. Once again, this is Fat Cat Productions, and in just about, I think we started around 1 o'clock. In around 10 minutes, that is how to screen record with your phone, specifically on Android. Actually, Android, and right now it's Pixel. And create a YouTube thumbnail with Canva app. Entirely free, and if you can, obviously you can tell, super easy, and then boom, download. Alright, we're done. You guys have a good one. Signing off, this is Fat Cat Productions. Screen record off.